So one day I'm gonna make it out of this room. No, because it's a weekly, it probably won't. Like, I will, but I won't. But I'm gonna hurt. Like, hello? Yep. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna clean this room and I'm gonna try to add my bedroom and bathroom. We're gonna see how far we get. Yeah. At least it's not as bad as it was if you've seen the other videos. So, it's not too bad. We do gotta do some shampoo on, but I feel like we're not gonna make the shampoo today because I gotta get to the other cleaning in the other rooms. But no more rambling. I hope y'all enjoy. Watch.
The birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. What was it like? The moment that you spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life. Was it beautiful when you saw everything you made? And it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I see you, the more I'm in awe. I can't help but feel this way. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me.
Okay. So I should be ashamed of myself, but I'm not, because this is life. And if y'all seen my other video, then y'all know that that tray that I shopped my home for and put in the foyer was up here, and all my products were on the tray. Now I just write them off. Yep, I did. But I got this cheap little Dollar Tree little storage container, storage bin, whatever you want to say. I got this cheap, when I say cheap, it's cheap, little thing. And I'm gonna put all my stuff in here. That was out. So, some stuff, oh yeah, when I tell you I can't think sometimes when it be like this, that's why we gotta clean it up. But some stuff, I don't need to know. So just watch the video. I was looking for the food. See, what happens is I be trying to pick out clothes, get ready, and all that kind of stuff, and then I don't put it back up. I just throw it up here when I really need to be putting it up. I'm gonna work on that though. I'm gonna get better. I am. I'm gonna get better. And some stuff I set up here so I won't forget about it. And that's what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna put it up because it's pouring into good. I know I have yours. I keep it. See, that's how you know they been in your stuff, because it's open. Because I ain't do that. I don't leave my stuff open. Get two ways. Let me go. What? What you want? Not by myself, you can help me. You ain't the Marcus. The Marcus got out. Who told you?
Big Daddy and Big Mama gave this to me. They gave me a whole 30 pack.
So I need 5 of them. As much as you eat my stuff?
They all gone, Mama.
Oh,
Only got orange left.
lock it behind you.
Where?
Lock it behind you.
You're not baby.
Like you tell me. Lock it behind you.
And you got that for me.
I did.
Feeling my sweat.
Lock it behind you.
I need that. That's so good.
Dang it. I really want my stuff to stay up there. I might have to just do it. Even though I don't want to. I'm gonna have to just do it. Who put that in my... Whoa.
What?
Nothing. Y'all always doing something. And then y'all put empty stuff back in a drawer.
I'm going on a field trip tomorrow.
Nice to know.
Where's the money?
You got none.
Mama, stop lying.
I don't.
Mama! I just gave you 20. Give me my 20 back.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I need that.
I told you yesterday. I don't know why you think I gotta do all your stuff.
No! I don't have no money. I don't have no job. I don't have no car. I don't have no nothing. I need you to give me something to eat. Something to eat. I can't give me nothing to eat because of you.
I really want y'all to stay on my drawers because y'all messing my stuff up. Even worse.
I don't need your toy.
Lies! Girl! Well, how my gel be getting used? God, stop lying, people. Like, for real, just stop. Just stop. You're still lying.
I don't use your gel no more. I have used it in 3 days.
I get it from above while everybody else getting up to
And I need it when
3 days.
praising you.
Girl, that's not a long time.
normally I use it every morning.
Don't worry about it. You won't be able to find it no more.
Oh, for real.
You won't. You won't be able to find it no more.
You don't even need it. You have blocks. What you gonna do with your edges if you have blocks?
It's only for my edges.
Okay.
Not for yours.
So you don't
It's mine. That's why it lasts longer, because it's mine. I don't need that much.
Mine's so bad. I have hair bald head.
And that's why I'll be praising you. I'll be serving you. I'ma praise like.
Just in case I was wondering where I was going. This is where I was going. I was putting my stuff in the cabinet in here. Yeah. So the basket didn't feel like I wanted it to, but at least it's in there. Don't worry about how it's organized right now. Don't worry about all of it. That comes with cleaning. It gets cleaned up, okay? Right now we focus on this and getting this done. And don't worry about that bed in the background, because that's coming too. So. Back to this.
But I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Drowning in my tears at night, haunted by the limelight. Ooh. I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized. Got a lifeline. Alpha Omega.
Wait, is that?
Smell like straight movie though.
Wait, is that?
That was their wet dry mop.
Take me back outside. He said, take me back outside. What is that? Copper said, what is that? What is that, Copper? What is that? Come here, Copper. Come here, buddy boy.
Of me, I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. Set apart, covered and blessed. I serve God and say it with my chest. Wake up, thankful for His patience, grace and salvation. So nobody bothering me. No weapon weapons formed against me shall prosper, uncovered in God's armor. Yeah, if you say go, then I'll go. Lord, I only answer to you, so I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. And I give you all of
So y'all look at my bear.
you. Come first, more of you.
That's how I feel.
Me.
Cause I ain't clean things. Like there's no bed.
And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. If you say go, then I'll go, 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 go. If you say go, then I'll go, 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 go. If you say go, then I'll go, 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 go. If you say go, then I'll go, Lord, I only answer to you. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 I need strength for the morning, peace when it's time. You're all I need to get through this test. I give you all of the glory. Faith never dies. I ask you, will you see me? Am I too far gone? Have I lost myself? Will you see?
I can't show y'all the my shower cleaning routine because I do that in the shower. But I will show y'all the before and after. Lies, no I won't. But here's the finished product. Y'all let me know if I need to move that rug. Like that the one with the pattern, the white and black rug. I haven't taken the tag off because I haven't made up my mind on if I want to keep it or not. But this is the finished product. Of course, you gotta light a candle when you're done cleaning. But this is the finished product. And yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed. We'll get to the room another day for y'all. But yeah, I hope I'm not too close. But I hope y'all enjoyed the cleaning routine in here, or the clean up, because it's not a routine. I mean, I just clean up when I can. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.
As the sun rises, he will appear. He will come to us like the winter rains, like the spring rains that water the earth. We know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose.